Hi friends, we're coming to you again today to show you that cooking vegan doesn't have to be hard or labor intensive. It's actually pretty simple. One of the things that I highly recommend you getting if you don't have one is a slow cooker or a crock pot, even an Instant Pot, but I don't have one of those, so I don't really know how they work. But a crock pot, you can find them at thrift stores for cheap if you want, or buy a brand new one. But they will come super in handy for cooking for the newly plant-based. So today we're just going to be following a recipe that I've made before. I really like it. It's very good. It is kung pao chickpea something. It's not chicken, it's chickpeas. So we've already prepared everything here. The recipe only said that the prep would take about 10 minutes. So even if you haven't pre-prepared all this stuff, it shouldn't take you very long to do. So first off, we start off with some chickpeas.
Throw them into the slow cooker.
And some red pepper.
Throw them into the slow cooker.
Onion.
Throw them into the slow cooker. It's really easy so far. I'm liking this.
Alright, here comes the complicated part. We're gonna whisk together some sauce that we're gonna pour over this. So we're gonna start with soy.
Sweet. Soy sauce right there.
And we've got some balsamic vinegar.
Ooh, balsamic vinegar, very good.
Next is some maple syrup.
Great.
Some sesame oil. And this one I've got some chili flakes and some chopped crystallized ginger because we didn't have real ginger or powdered ginger. So hopefully this works out.
Oh, it'll be great. Get that all in there.
And then some minced garlic.
Perfect.
So now all we have to do is whisk it up really nice and good so it's saturated with all that flavor.
Good.
Perfect.
Sweet. Add it in.
Add it in.
Let's do it.
Awesome.
There you go.
And now probably just want to give it a tiny little bit of a stir just to make sure everything is fully coated.
Yep.
So now that everything's mixed up, we're just going to take the slow cooker, put the lid on, and plug it in for 3 hours on high.
Great.
So that really can't get any simpler. Honestly, throw a bunch of stuff in a slow cooker, plug it in, and do some work. Go to the gym. Maybe
do the dishes.
Do the dishes. Whatever it is you need to get done, you can do while your meal is cooking. And you don't have to worry about it because anything in the slow cooker is pretty much foolproof. So let's wait for about 3 hours and then we can see how it turned out. Alright, and we're back. It's been 3 hours. And if you haven't stirred this while it was cooking, occasionally all the sauce is going to be on the bottom. So you just kind of have to stir it around a little bit to get all the good stuff from the bottom to coat all those chickpeas. And it's always nice to just stir things anyways. Get a little whiff.
Yeah, it's great. Oh, wow.
Just gonna grab a little bit of this, put it in, and top it off with a little bit of green onion just for pretty sake. And that's pretty much it. Would you like to try some?
I would like to try some. I'm starving.
Right.
Waiting 3 hours for this dish. That's really good.
Quite tasty.
Yeah.
Even if you leave this dish in longer, it's just gonna kind of caramelize the sauce and things like that. So don't be afraid if you've left it in there a little bit too long. It's just gonna add a little bit more depth to the flavor. So,
That's great.
yeah.
Huh.
Vegan food can be easy and fast and
Not complicated at all.
not complicated at all. Alright, thank you so much for watching another episode of J&H Cooks, and we hope to see you again next time.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.